Every day has its surprises. There's signs of thunder. I thought we were gonna get electrocuted by lightning. It is amazing here. Just pouring rain. Ah, man, so beautiful. Wow. Reactions are just like, oh my god, really? So I was amazed. All right, starting from Conwood Lakes. Golden Trout Wilderness. It's so nice today. Now we are entering the John Muir Wilderness. We just went over New Army Pass, and there's signs of thunder, as in there is thunder, and there is much hail. So we're trying to get down the side of this as quick as possible. We're only a couple miles out from the bottom, from the valley, so should be okay. But this is pretty inclement weather right now.
Michelle had a genius idea. It's pretty dry.
So we just hiked over New Army Pass and it started hailing. We made it out really quick, and then as soon as we got into the forest, we set up this little shelter and had lunch. And now we're having dessert, which is peanut M&Ms. Delicious.
Oh, we love it.
My pants are totally soaked. I regret not bringing rain pants. Your face.
I'm hungry.
I'm about to have dinner in this beautiful meadow, and it's golden hour. Everything is just gleaming because it rained. And we have maybe a little bit of time before it actually starts pouring for the rest of the night. So we're using this little dry spell to eat our spaghetti. Today concludes day one of the JMT. We went up to New Army Pass, and then we got hailed on for 2 or 3 hours, and then got wet, and then had a nice lunch, and then found a nice campsite, and now getting eaten. So I already got bit several times. But yeah, how many miles do you think we did today?
13 to 14.
But we didn't go all the way to Rock Creek.
Yeah, Rock Creek is like 15 miles, right?
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Damn skeeters. So it's day 2 and we just reached our campsite for the night. It started off really nice today, but the storm clouds came in and it started hailing again and raining, and so we scrambled over here and set up everything in the rain, and it's a bit cold and everything's a little bit wet, but I think we're in good spirits still. Yeah, I think that right there is Mount Whitney. It's beautiful. How was today?
Good. then rough, and then good again.
You mean just now?
Yeah, just now.
Pushed kind of hard today, and the back of my knee is feeling a little tight. We have so much extra food. I'm trying to eat this protein bar right now, but I don't know. We'll see. It is day 3, and we just camped at Crabtree Meadow. We're debating whether or not we want to do Mount Whitney tomorrow. My knee was feeling really tight last night, but it feels a little bit better today, so still a possibility. It's beautiful here. The meadow is just like aglow with the morning sunlight, and you can see Mount Whitney in the distance, perfectly framed by the other mountains nearby. Yeah, so we eat breakfast and then decide which direction to go in.
For us to make it through the night, stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you home.
Is it trying to like lie low and be incognito? I guess it's just not scared of us at all.
That's too bad. It should be afraid. It's not afraid at all.
Just chilling, living the life. We're at Tyndall Creek, and we're cooking up dinner. Oh yeah, Sai's massaging our mountain house meals. You look so creepy when you do it. You're like molesting it.
It's warm.
Yeah, there's some mosquitoes here, so we have our head nets on. And then our tent is over there. Ah, mosquitoes. Tired?
Oh, I like the lake at Bighorn Plateau.
The view from there was really awesome. Also, the meadows that we passed by on the way
Yeah, those
were
are really pretty.
unreal. They're so beautiful. Yeah, met a lot of southbound JMT hikers who were shooting for Guitar Lake so that they could summit Mount Whitney the next day. Today was actually our first official day on the JMT because it starts at Crabtree if you're going northbound. Anyway, signing off for today. Bye. So we just started hiking. It's around 8 a.m. and now it is just pouring rain. Up until now it's been kind of like a mix of some rain and hail, and now it's just like heavy rain, and it's really cold. We're under this tree right now. We're gonna see if the rain dies down a little bit. And it's really cold, so I put on my fleece and my down jacket. Man, the weather has just been like so harsh. I mean, yesterday was super nice. It should die down by tomorrow. So hopefully the rest of the trip will be beautiful and sunny and not gloomy and rainy. We see some blue skies and some sun poking through. Hopefully that means the rain clouds are getting pushed away, and we can still go over Forester Pass today. Looks like the sky is opened up, so we're gonna start hiking again. We're hiking that way, which is still pretty gloomy, but I think the clouds
will move faster.
Yeah. The sun came out. It's beautiful.
Looks like camera event.
Yeah. The weather here is so fickle. Onwards. Man, when the sun comes out, it is just glorious. Sun's out and everything looks beautiful. It's gorgeous here, even with the dark clouds. Every day has its surprises. It is so nice here. We came across this other hiker yesterday, and as usual we asked, "How are you doing?" And I loved his response. He said, "Another day in paradise." And then he said, "I wish it would rain more," as a joke, because it's just been lots of rain. But that's pretty much how I feel. It is amazing here, and even with the crazy weather, I love it. We just passed some folks working on the trail, and they have this hose. It's kind of odd to see a hose in the middle of nature, but look at this. This is so smart. That's how they have the hose working. It goes all the way over there so that he can work on the trail. This is where we just came from. That down there is Tyndall Creek. We camped nearby last night. Man, this landscape, this moonscape. Well, there's a lot of trees, so not quite a moonscape. At the top of Forester Pass, it'll be a moonscape or a Marsscape. So the weather's looking pretty good. So we're gonna tackle Forester Pass another 1.5 miles, and then you zigzag up 1,000 feet or so, maybe 600 feet, up to the top of Forester Pass, which is right behind me. And then we descend. Hopefully just like 3 or 4 miles until we find a campsite. Maybe we'll go farther if we want more shelter. But yeah, it's beautiful here. Si's putting on his rain jacket. It's gonna get chilly. So we're now at Tyndall Creek, and we're just taking a little break, eating some sports beans, filtering some water, getting ready for Forester Pass. This is the approach, and then starts climbing up right there. I think it goes that way into the clouds. It's pretty cold up here, so a little break before the climb. You ready?
Actually, I
Gotta eat those beans, the magic beans. Oh, it's a little hatchet. This is the memorial of Donald Downs, an 18-year-old boy who died constructing this trail.
1930.
Died September 2nd, 1930. Wow, that was only a couple days ago. They were blowing dynamite and his arm got crushed. And the doctor amputated it, but he ended up dying of infection. Sun's coming out. Wow, it's really coming out now.
Yeah.
Ah, it's beautiful. Look at that little hiker down there. Hello. getting bright, actually.
Yeah. They're getting way too warm.
Yeah, you might get warm. Take your hat off. That'll help. These flowers are special because they can live all the way up here. And they're so pretty. Climbing, climbing, climbing. I have to shed more layers because the sun really came out. It's getting hot. Too hot to trot. Except it's still kind of cold up here. Something smells really fragrant. Wonder if it's these plants. Like 10 or 15 minutes ago, this side of Forester Pass was just shrouded in clouds. Blue skies that away, which is the way we're going. So we're on the other side of Forester Pass, and it is just stunning. So, so beautiful. Wow. Man, this is awesome. We're just walking down this ridge with these incredible views. Yeah, it's funny because when we were coming down and we were passing people on their way up, we kept telling them that it was sunny on the other side, and their reactions were just like, oh my god, really? And one guy was like, bullshit. I thought we were gonna get electrocuted by lightning because it was so gloomy earlier. There was so much rain, but that wind moves the clouds pretty quick. Yeah, it's just gorgeous out here. Dang, it doesn't really show up on the camera. Man, that is so blue. Do you think there's like algae in there or something? Sai's amazed. I'm amazed also. So we just made camp at the first campsite that we found after coming down Forester Pass. And it's pretty nice. There's a lot of campsites here, and the stream's really close, and the view is incredible. Well, you can't see through these trees right now, but we're gonna try to eat dinner a little bit up there. Yeah, so we're just gonna eat some food and chill out for the rest of the day. Hopefully the sunset will be nice. It's pretty cloudy right now. Ooh yeah, beef bolognese. It's good?
So good.